Hey everyone, this is Yash. Welcome to another framework on sleep. It's going to be a quick 5 to 6 minutes video talking about each of the topics. So, the first topic that I'm going to talk about is why you need to work on your sleep. If you simply work on your sleep, good 7 hours of deep sleep. Okay, what's the benefit? The benefit is first, your metabolism goes up. This is number one. Energy levels for the entire day goes up. Okay. Next is if you are struggling with hormonal issues. Okay. Hormonal issues gets fixed. Okay. Next is if your TSH is not well, if it's about like 4, 5, 6, it's gonna get fixed. Next, your gut health, because your organs need rest when you sleep. So if you give rest to your organs, they would function better tomorrow. So gut health gets better. Immune system gets better. How what's immune system? Basically, whenever you eat something, toxins are accumulated and then you throw it off. So this is just like there's a car, you put fuel in the car, the toxins, the waste accumulated after fueling the car is the exhaust throws out the pollution, right? When you race the car moves forward, but there's some dust coming out of the car. That's toxins. Same way whenever you eat a rice, next day you poop. Some toxins are accumulated. Apart from poop, whatever toxins are accumulated, if you don't flush it off by eating right, by sleeping more, by moving your body, you would eventually get sick, like sore throat, cold, cough, fever. That stuff would come into picture. So these are the benefits of why you need to sleep. Now let's talk about how to fix your sleep. You would fix your sleep in just 24 hours using a holistic approach, and we would help you make sure you sustain your good deep sleep permanently. Not that you fix your sleep today, 7 days later, again, you're stuck with your bad sleep. So, if you're someone who is like stuck watching reels at night, you can't sleep well at night, you try to sleep, it takes you 30 minutes to sleep, you end up watching a movie at night, but you are not able to sleep at the time that you want to. Okay, there's no discipline around your sleep. Everywhere else there's discipline. You go for a walk, you earn good amount of money, you have good happy kids, but there's no discipline on your own sleep cycle. Let's go. First thing that you need to work on is pre-sleep routine. Pre-sleep routine basically means what do you do after your dinner? Let's say you eat a dinner at 9. So when you eat at dinner at 9, you sleep at let's say 11. What do you do in those 120 minutes? If you engage in screen time, if you engage in a fight, argument, or you engage in stuff that stresses you, that makes you overthink, creates anxiety, then you need to reverse those activities like reading a book, meditating, then going for a long walk, talking to your friends on a call. You can simply do some meditation, yoga. You can do anything that makes you happy. Maybe writing, maybe journal writing, painting, dancing, anything. That's your pre-sleep routine. Morning routine is basically what do you do upon waking up? Go poop, brush your teeth, go for a walk, you go to a park, walk on the grass, you do some earthing, you take some sunlight. That's a morning routine. Okay. Not that you wake up and you use your phone. So 2 hours before you sleep and immediately an hour after you're waking up, you shouldn't use your phones. That's how you hack your circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm basically means sunrise and sunset. So if you've seen birds, birds don't stay awake after 7 p.m. because they follow circadian rhythm. Humans stay awake even after 12 p.m., 12 at night. It's because they don't follow circadian rhythm. So the moment you start following a circadian rhythm, that's when your life will get better. Akshay Kumar is at its peak of circadian rhythm because he wakes up at 4. We can't wake up at 4. I know that. 6, 7 is a good number. Gut health checklist. See, if you eat a dinner and the food is still in your stomach and you're not able to digest it properly, until unless the food has been digested, you can't sleep. 99% of humans on earth, if you can't digest the food that you've eaten in dinner, you cannot sleep because digestion creates an environment of stress to your body because your machine is active, your body is working on something to break it down, to digest it and absorb the nutrients. At that time, your body needs melatonin when you close your eyes and lie down. If there's no melatonin but there's some stress, because of stress, melatonin won't get produced and you can't sleep. So if your gut health is good, you can sleep better. Gut health checklist is in the description box. You can check it out. Eliminate free dopamine. Free dopamine is what? Reels, YouTube, movies after dinner. I mean, in the day, little bit of free dopamine is totally fine. No caffeine for 24 hours. See, if your sleep cycle is really screwed, you need to remove caffeine for 24 hours. Later on, you can have coffee anytime once your sleep cycle gets better. You can have coffee anytime before 12 p.m. 12 in the afternoon to be specific because If you consume coffee after 12 or after 1 p.m., your production of sleep hormones would slow down, and it can also get delayed. Decaf also works, but ideally just don't consume for 24 hours. Later on, you can start consuming it every day. Movement. See, when you lie down on the bed, right? But you haven't moved your body a lot. You went on a cab to your office, you came back, you did not walk, you did not exercise, you just ate, sat, and slept. So you have pent up energy in your body. Okay? Just like example, there's a small kid. You may, if you're a mom, if you're a woman, you have kids, or maybe let's say you have a dog, you have a pet. If you don't make your dog move, they would get anxious, they would get stressed, they would bark, they would do something to burn their energy. Same way, if you bring your kid from school, you don't make them go for some sport, you don't take them to a park, you just sit, study, they just keep sit, study, they watch YouTube, they watch movies, they watch phone. They would have pent up energy, they will get cranky, irritated. If you make them run at a park, you take them for a walk, they would get exhausted, they would sleep. Same way, if you move your body in the entire day, you go for a walk, you do some yoga, zumba workout, something or the other, some activity that makes you fun, that makes your life fun, like swimming, badminton, anything, that would also work. Next is your supplements. Supplements are everything in optimize, sorry, supplements, essential supplements for optimizing everything. So let's say you have a life quality is 80. If you simply consume certain supplements, your life quality can go to 100 instantly because you're leveraging the knowledge. Supplements like Zinco with W, uh, cod liver oil, or maybe omega 3, that's it. Just two supplements are good enough. You don't need a lot of supplements. And if it's really screwed, your sleep is like super fucked for past few years, then maybe you can go for magnesium glycinate. That's it. I wouldn't recommend magnesium because it's a fancy supplement. If you want, if it's really, really screwed, then you can go for it. Now, let's revise. This is the benefit. This is what you need to work on. I've explained everything. Watch it twice to learn better. Whatever information I've given, you need to implement it tomorrow as well. And I'll give you a sample routine in your description box so that you know how your day should look like and how you would be able to sleep better. So description box has a lot of information. Check it out. Read it once. Make notes. Take screenshots. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything, you can feel free to text me any time of the day, or you can comment in the comment section because you don't have my number. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time. Take care.